Keisha just got a new job at a shop, but when she asked for school-friendly hours, her manager said, "You're lucky to even have a job." Was that legal? In 2025, UK law changed. Now, you have the right to request flexible working from your very first day on the job. No waiting, no fear. Flexible working isn't just working from home. You can ask for different start and finish times, shorter hours, set shifts, job sharing, or fewer days, if your job allows. This is Keisha. She just started working at a retail store. Her shifts are all over the place, and she needs school-friendly hours, but she's scared to ask. Finding value with this information. Like and share. Ever wondered if you could ask for different hours right from day one? Like, what if you need to leave by 3 p.m. for school pickup? Or only work mornings? Or perhaps you'd prefer to work 4 long days instead of 5 short ones? The choice is yours. Here's the good news. Thanks to the UK's updated law, you now have the power to request flexible working from your very first day on the job, putting you in control of your work-life balance. And remember, by law, your employer is obligated to respond to your request in writing within 2 months, providing you with the security you need. Your employer must consider your request fairly and provide a valid reason if they say no. You can get free support from ACAS to help you. Keisha requested flexible hours and they were approved. Now she can work and still pick up her kids. Have you been afraid to ask for better hours? Comment below, you're not alone. Subscribe for simple, clear UK employee rights updates.